Hi guys, welcome back to the Crypto Thread community. Today I'm gonna show you one of the biggest project, one of the great project, which it has a massive benefits. I actually prefer to call this project UnshETH, which is actual name is UNSH Ethereum. So my dear friends, if you love staking, if you love farming, if you love, how we can say, decentralized, if you love LSD, so we have a lots of things to talk about, we have lots of things to discuss. So today we diving down to this project. So my dear friends, before we check the website, before we check the platform, I actually want to mention that that's not a financial advice, it's just informational. If you want, you can invest. If you don't, you cannot. So let's look the website, my dear friends. So my dear friends, as you can see, the website is this, and for the best on-chain staking yield and swapping for LSD for more decentralization network. So what does it mean for you? If you're a staker, if you're a trader, if you're LSDs, so you can enjoy the platform. So my dear friends, actually I want to firstly explain what is UnshETH. UnshETH is a decentralized on-chain movement for improving validated decentralization. The metrics prevent monopolies from growing so large that they stifle innovation and endanger the economy by morphing into the central point of failure via the creation and enforcement of antitrust laws. On Ethereum, we govern not by laws but by incentives. So UnshETH's mission is simple: decentralization through incentivization. Through incentive engineering, UnshETH aims to distribute capital across the LSD ecosystem in a manner that priority validated decentralization. For stakers, effortlessly earn the best yield on your Ethereum. For LSD, more staker, more validator, more decentralization, and more network stability. So my dear friends, I'll give you the links you need to check yourself. So as you can see, the trade graph here, the UnshETH token, and I want to give the introduction about staking and liquid within UnshETH. Actually, what is staking? Staking is a process which is a user locked up their cryptocurrency token to support the operation of the blockchain network to aid in ensuring its security, validating transaction, and participating in consensus mechanism. In exchange for providing this service, staker earns rewards, which is first participant choose the lockup sum their cryptocurrency tokens to support blockchain operation, Ethereum or something like that. So participant either stake with a certain trusted validator or run a validator node themselves. The job of validator is to process transactions submitted on the network and build and submit block out of the transaction. The block created by validators are submitted to the network, and whichever validator block gets chosen and earn rewards generated by the block. So my dear friends, what is liquid actually? Liquid staking. Liquid staking refers to the process for making staked token in a blockchain network tradable and transferable. Participants choose a staked cryptocurrency token to support blockchain operation. In traditional proof of stake system, when users stake their cryptocurrency, their token become locked and insensible. With liquid staking, users can convert their stakes token into the tokens that represent their stake. Then these tokens referred to as a liquid staking token, which is LSTC, can be freely transferred, traded, and used as a collaborated in various DeFi protocols. After that, participants can retrieve their staked token by returning the liquid staking token in exchange for the token they originally stated. So my dear friends, they also have a risk and challenges. Is liquid staking. What is the key point of this? Risk, liquid challenge, centralization risk, regulatory consideration, technology and smart contract risk, market volatility. So what is UnshETH exactly? UnshETH is a protocol with a mission to promote decentralization in the liquid staking ecosystem through incentivization. To address the problem of validated centralization, UnshETH distributes capital across various LSTC, which is prioritizing a more decentralization networks. So what is exactly UnshETH is, the user put Ethereum into the UnshETH, then UnshETH stake that Ethereum into multiple LST provide, then each LST earns yield, which is the yield passed back to the UnshETH, then UnshETH passed the yield back to the customer. After that, UnshETH's other services and partnership pass on the further yield to the user, my dear friends. So actually then and after our website we can see that deposit, we can see swap, we can have with the USH, stake, earn, farm, portfolio, withdraw, bridge and governance. In the right side, my dear friends, as you can see, the connect wallet, you can connect your wallet which you want. For example, I like to connect MetaMask. You can actually here to deposit, which is from here you can change amount of Ethereum with UnshETH. You can, which is it has APR 20%. Actually, it is good. So it has a swap here, USDT Ethereum with Ethereum. So actually we also had a VD USH, my dear friends, which is total VD USH farm is more than 10 million. So actually in this here you can here you can change VD USH, which is how you get this point. For example, you give the number of another coins to get VD USD, almost like 377, and you can approve with USH, my dear friends. So you can also change the lock of duration actually. So my dear friends, in general, website provides you the easy access for everything and user friendly actually. There is nothing hard in here. You can easily access everything you need and get benefit and massive benefit from it. So it has also stake on here. You write amount here and duration, as you can give it, for example 37 days, enter the amount and approve it. So you can also do the farms, my dear friends. For example, you must choose your chain and mine it with action. Also you can stake it from here. For example, if you can click the mine, and shows you the deposit sites which you must be take the UnshETH coin. So in farm section we explain it. So portfolio section shows your balance, which is how much coin you have in general, we can say. So if it is also have a visual section, so it has a bridge and governance. In governance side you can actually know that it is legal. So my dear friends, in general, as you can see, this website had a massive benefit, which is for the decentralized then and also for the stakers, my dear friends. So if you finish my videos, guys, thank you very much, and I really appreciate it if you click the like button, if you support my channel, and click the subscribe button. So my dear friends, goodbye for now.